Hello, everyone. My name is Walter. I'm here this week, kind of late. The assignments have been due since Sunday, but due to the fact that I was under the weather, I'm finally getting it done and trying to get it submitted for at least some kind of grade. This week we had to do MySQL for server-side data storage. And what you see right now on the screen, you see two different programs. You see Visual Studio Code plus Visual Studio. And Visual Studio, that's where I created my database. And you can see that from my database, including the tables, the database is called healing.mdf. And the table I created for my database was healing customer, healing invoice, healing order items, healing orders, healing payments, healing product, and healing shipments. And in the process with this week assignment, we had to create the database so we could pull up into our website that we've been working on and to our drop down product and service. So if you look to my left, I had to create a healing product data table .html, which will help me do that. Then I created a healing product database PHP that would help me to retrieve that information so it could go into my web page. We also had to create a healing product text, and basically, hopefully I did everything correctly. I'm sorry that I'm late, but in due time, you can always get the job done. I had to rethink a lot of things because, and think about going backward to previous class and how to even do this. But I finally got it done. We're having lots of trouble. Had to find a program to get my SQL working. I went through a bunch of programs. Now I know that each one could create a SQL. I have NetBeans, I have Visual Studio Code, and I have Visual Studio. So hopefully this project will get me a decent grade, even though I'm late. Sorry, I was under the weather. Hopefully I don't get sick again. And I need to catch up on the rest of my assignments. Until then, see you next time. Peace.